There's a beauty in the way you're worn, and the sharpness of your thorns. So vibrate in the imperfections. In the pain there's something real. All that anger so concealed. Still you're lost in how to feel. Just let me hold that severed heart. The pieces feel so cold.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm out here in the mountains today with my dad. Fishing for some trout. It's gonna be a good day. It's a really good wild rainbow. Well, hold my rod then.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
He lived. That's good.
Okay, well stop pulling up so you don't hook me in the hand. Nice. Ultralight fishing pole. There's one. Never mind. Came off again.
Really?
Yeah. There's one. There he is. Yeah, if you move your line, I can catch it. Now I lost it. Oh yeah, it's a tank. Nice, beautiful, wild rainbow. Let's get this bad boy off. Later, dude. There's one. Got him. Nope, don't got him. He spit it. Ugh, dude. Why can't I keep this damn thing on? Like it was so perfect. The current kind of messed with me there. All of a sudden my rod just went, and I was like, oh, I thought I had a fish. There he is. Beautiful, get up here. Another beautiful wild trout. Look at that. There's a lot of wild ones, not so many stalkers. Look at them.
Nice one.
Pretty. Oh shit. Come here, buddy. I want to touch them. Come here. And back he goes. And I got my worm still. Let's go. I felt him hit it, and I went like, this is my rod, trying to give it more line. I was like, oh, there he is, and then I went and that's not the hook. It was so perfect. There he is. It's a good one. Can you go down with your tip? I just need you to go down. All right, and boom flip. Come on, get up here. Oh my God, it's a big one. That's actually a big trout.
Hey, give me another weight.
Look at this thing. This is a good size. Go down. It's a beauty. Ah! Stop it! There he is. Look at that one.
That's a good one.
It's a really good one. Really pretty too. Down he goes. Well, shit. Swim. There he goes. He's good. Yep, and he's gone. He's good. What do you need?
One more weight.
Another weight?
Another weight and another worm. Right? Pretty fast.
You want me to give it another one more?
No, we can't go nowhere.
Okay. There he is. Oh yeah. Another good one. I lied. Pretty small. There he is again. Got him. There's a fish just jumped on the other side. I'm gonna cast over there, fuck it. Cast and reel a worm. Might work. Oh my God, it actually worked. I cast over to the other side and reeled in a worm. That's crazy. Oh my God. Nice, pretty rainbow. See you later, bud. Oh, you dumbass. There you go. Oh, he's gone. I can't believe that worked. I literally just cast to the other side and then end up catching it. No way that works twice in a row, right? Had one swipe at it, missed it. There he is. It worked twice. Look, I know, but it's a different fish. It's working.
Yeah, you're casting into the pool.
Yeah, I know that. I'm just saying it's working. I didn't think it was gonna work. All right. You little shit. Stop the flopping. And go away. So long, buddy. And we're going back. And slowly reel. This is not how we fish for fish. Fish on. How is this working? 3 for 3 on the freaking casting reel on a worm. Oh my god, that's awesome. Another wild speckled rainbow. Nice and pretty. All right, beaver buddy. Oh, you dumbass. Nice, good. Flop that way, not out. Should I go 4 for 4? What do you think?
Yeah, try it.
There's no weight to my worm. It's not working. Nope, I'm not gonna catch one. Okay, gotta recast it. I went too far to the right and got stuck in the current. Couldn't keep it down. That'll catch one though. I'm gonna try at least. What the fuck? What are you doing? There, go behind me. I want to try and catch this fish. It's over here. What are you doing? Aha, I did. Sucker. Oh, he was going for it. He's not interested. Hey, there's 2 or 3 of them right there, just so you know. There is 0 chance to catch a fish on the worm I have. I said there's 0 chance to catch a fish on the worm I have. It's a little tiny, tiny, tiny piece of worm. That's not even worm anymore. It's the skin of the worm. Worm foreskin. Nice. Oh, raw. All right. Thanks guys for watching. Really appreciate if you made it this far in the video. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe, like button, leave a comment if you have anything to say, any tips, pointers. Yeah, awesome. Until next time, catch you guys in the next one.